Hi guys, it's Miss Duncan here. I am going to show you how you can use your cell phone to upload things to your Google Drive folder. The first thing you need to do is download the Drive app. Once you have it on your phone, you're going to click to open it. Then from here, down here at the bottom, there's a house, a star, some people, and then a folder. You want to click the people at the bottom. This takes you to the shared with me. Then here you can see Duncan Crystal. So that is my Google folder that is shared with the teacher. So I'm going to open that up. Then here I can see all of the weeks, all the other folders or documents that are in here. Again, we're in week 1, so I want to select week 1. Then I am going to click the plus sign down here, the Google plus sign. And then I can click use camera. And then I can take a picture of whatever document I need to upload, and it will upload it directly to that folder. If you already have taken the picture, you can click the upload button with the arrow and the line underneath it, and it'll take you to your camera roll, and you can upload a picture from there. If at any time it's not, you're not seeing things in here, you may just need to refresh. And I have an iPhone, and so to do that, I just pull it down. I'm sure that Androids are similar to that. I hope that you find this to be helpful, and I'll talk to you soon.